Hey YouTube, UPS just dropped this off. It is a Panasonic PT-AX200U projector. This is a home theater projector. I'll go ahead and give you the specs after we do the unboxing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. So, there's that. Alright, it's a box inside of a box. So let's open up the box again. So it was a box inside of a box inside of a box, because it came in a shipping box as well. I ordered this from B&H Photo Video. They're a camera shop. Alright, it has a little picture showing you how to take it out of the box. So the first thing we have is a power cord. Next up we have our remote control. Under here it looks like we have documentation. Yep. So we have a safety cable for the ceiling mount, our documentation and batteries, and then we have the projector. I'm going to set this on the desk. Right? The best way to get this out of here. So here's the projector. This has two HDMI ports, a component video port, and S-video, and a couple others. I don't remember entirely. I'll go ahead and show you the back side once I get this out. So if we take a look at it, let me drop the tripod down. We have a serial connection, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, computer and component video, S-video, our composite video, power, and the main power switch. If we reverse it to the front, we have the bulb, or the lens rather. Take off the lens cover, and we have the lens shift, which allows us to easily move the lens back and forth so we can find a desired position. And you just lock it in. And up on the top we have our power buttons. So we have our reset button, the menu select buttons, the power input menu. So let's go ahead and get it powered up, and I'll tell you what I think. Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show off the Panasonic PT-AX200U while it's in action. So the specs on this projector is it's 2000 lumens, has a contrast ratio of 6000 to 1. The aspect ratio is 16 to 9. It is HD compatible. The native resolution is 1280 by 720, although it supports 1080p and 1080i. One cool thing about the projector is the the lens shifts. So I just go up to the projector and I loosen this little knob, and then I can move the image. So there you see how I was able to move that, and then you just tighten it and it stays in the normal position. So as you can see, this room is fairly well lit and it is quite bright. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like with the lights off. So that's what it looks like with the lights off. Let me go ahead and go over to TV real quick. Component video. So right now it's a commercial. You can see great image quality. Truly is. Let's go ahead and so you pretty much get the idea. I'm going to turn the lights back on and I'm going to show you how I have it mounted. I have it mounted up on the ceiling. So up there I have the power cable, component video, HDMI, and then the security cable. So you just connect that security cable to your projector mount and then you lock it in, so if it was to fall off it would be caught if for whatever reason. So just gonna do a walk around. So the projector is amazing. This is the knob that allows you to move the lens around. So yeah, and just give you a view up there. So this is the Panasonic PT-AX200U. I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.